Hi and what's up? In today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make a perfect egg, and it's going to be a very simple process with very nice outcome. So to get started, I have my eggs and I'm ready to cook my eggs. So I'm going to move over to the stove top, and on medium heat I'm going to place my cast iron. I'm using a cast iron pan. Add a little bit of cooking oil. Next, I'm going to crack in my 2 eggs. I have to be very fast because I'm using a cast iron, so I'm going to pick my salt and pepper. Add some pepper. I love pepper in my eggs. And salt. Mix it up using a fork. Then, without wasting a lot of time, I'm going to add my eggs in the pan. Then I'm going to check on my eggs. Pull in the sides a little bit. Then I'm going to wait for a minute so that my egg can cook on the bottom. And you have to be very fast because cast iron get really hot. So it also depends on how you like your eggs. So I'm going to flip mine. Yum. Then I'm going to turn off the heat and let the pan do its magic because it is really hot. My perfect egg is ready and I'm going to give it a try just to make sure it is perfect. So I'm excited because the black pepper is just amazing. So good. So I hope you try and make yourself this perfect egg and you're going to enjoy each and every bite. Catch you on my next one. Bye.